Assalamualaikum and hi to our fellow viewers. I'm Haris.
I'm Fahmi.
And I'm Ryan.
Our team has been qualified to advance to the second round of the National Science Challenge 2020.
We, as the representative of Sekolah Menengah Kebangsaan Putrajaya Presint 81, will be giving our opinion on the theme which is towards a pandemic resilient community through science. Out of all subtopics given, we decided to choose engineering as the basis of our discussion.
For starters, let us provide with the definition of a pandemic. According to the World Health Organization, a pandemic is when a disease becomes widespread throughout a large region. An example would be the COVID-19 pandemic, which is currently plaguing the world.
So, we have come up with ideas to curb future pandemics. We stand by the saying that prevention is better than cure. Hence, we believe that preventive measures should be taken before a pandemic occurs rather than after it happens.
Based on our research, we have linked two factors that play in the formation of a pandemic. The two factors are sources of food and also environmental change.
But how does the engineering play a role to cope with this situation? We have decided two preventive measures should be taken to curb future outbreaks.
The first preventive measure is the preservation of wild animals. This can be achieved through the construction of nature reserves. Natural habitats should be protected from any disturbances. For example, bats, which are known to be the source of outbreaks, should be given sufficient needs in their natural habitats so they do not change their behavior.
Next is the conservation of farm animals. Livestock should be placed in conducive environment which includes a spacious living area with good ventilation and irrigation system so that they produce high quality produce. Environmental engineer should investigate to find the most optimal living condition for each type of livestock to design the most suitable shelter to be used in farms.
And lastly, farmers should be educated on the vaccination to prevent new emerging diseases. Flawed health plan can be created by biomedical and biomechanical engineers based on the history of the farm and the region they are raised in. Farmers should be educated on the proper storage of vaccine, the vaccination procedure and injection timetable of the livestock.
In conclusion, we highly recommend that engineering fields play an important role in our world. The community should acknowledge that knowledge is powerful. Future generations should invest their studies in engineering fields so we can advance into a human population with in a pandemic-free future. Thanks for watching this video.